Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will design a birthday card using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First you have to change the page settings. Set all the margins into 0. After setting the margins, now you have to take a rectangle shape. Insert a shape using a cursor. Change the color of the shape from blue to peach. And after changing the color, now you have to edit it using edit point. Edit the shape and then insert another rectangle shape just above of this shape. Send this rectangle shape backward just like that. And now you have to insert image in this rectangle shape. I have saved the balloon kind of image. If you want to save any other kind of the image, you can save it and then use it in your birthday card. After it, now you have to insert a circle shape. And after inserting the circle shape, now you have to insert image of a child in this circle. As it is a customized birthday card, so you can use your child's image in this card. After that, now you have to insert a ribbon shape. Draw it with the help of the cursor and change the color of the ribbon according to your choice. I am changing it from light blue to navy blue. After that, insert a text box where you can write child's name. Fill the color of the text box just like the ribbon's color. And then you have to write child's name on it. I have write Maria Z on it. After it, press Ctrl D for copying a text box and then write turning into on it. Now you have to draw lines on it. Draw a line shape on it and then increase its weight after changing its color into white. Now you have to draw 3 lines similar to this, like this in a horizontal manner. Change its color from black to white and increase its weight also. Now draw two lines in a vertical position. Now you have to insert 4 text box total in this picture. One for the date, one for the day, one for a birthday ceremony title, and one for the address. Write birthday party on it and increase its size. Can also change the style of handwriting. After that, change the text box color into peach. Now add another text box for the date and write any date on it of the occasion. Again, change the color of this text box into peach. Similarly, take 2 text box, one for the time and one for the address. Similarly, you have to take 2 text box again, one for the time and other for the address, and after writing both, you have to color the text box, change it from white to peach. And finally, your customized birthday card is ready. If you like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for further more updates.